How to screenshot Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screenshot a chat or a snap on Snapchat without letting or notifying the user that you have done so. Now as you know, due to Snapchat security reasons, if you screenshot any chat or if you screen record any chat, they will get a notification that you screen recorded or took a screenshot. However, if you open up a Snapchat here and head into a chat, and I'll just head into a certain chat here, now you can see that there's no notification showing that I'm screen recording the chat right now, because as you know, I'm already recording a screen or recording my screen right now to make this video. So you can see there is no notification. So what you can do is just open up a snap. Once you start screen recording, head into a chat and then screen record it, and then you can later screenshot the chat from the recording by playing the video itself. So this way you can screenshot Snapchat without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.